Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. It's been a very long time since I'm again sitting to do a YouTube video. I filmed one video last week and today is the second video that I'm sitting to film. So today's video is going to be eyeing and not buying the new makeup releases. So there is a lot of releases going on. I do this video once a week, so I just tell you what I'm interested to buy and what I'm not. And honestly, even in this eyeing and not buying series, there might be just few things that I am interested to buy. We are just at home or what, but I don't feel like buying new products, and there are no new products which is I am not finding them that great. So anyways guys, today's video is going to be eyeing and not buying new makeup releases, new skincare. So yeah, let's dive in the video. And before starting, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below. If you want, you can check it out. And if you don't know, I'm doing 30 makeup looks for the month of Ramadan. So if you are interested to see what all eye looks I'm creating, I do very simple looks for these 30 days. So if you want, you can check my Instagram page, and this is also the eye look that I created for today's look. So if you want, you can check it out. Anyways, let's just start the video because I'm very sure it is going to be a long video. I know brands are not releasing makeup too much now because of this whole COVID-19, but still there are brands, there are products which are releasing, but not as much as they used to be. So anyways, even I think last that I had done, I had only purchased like just a couple of them. I have not purchased any makeup since March, and I think the Huda Beauty pastel palettes was the last eyeshadow palette that I actually had purchased, and after that I actually didn't purchase. And I usually see new makeup releases on the Trend Mood page. You must know she has a great page. She shows all the sneak peeks of new makeup releases of all the brands, so that is a great page if you want to know about the new makeup releases. So starting with the products I'm not interested in buying, should I start with the products I am interested in buying? So let's start with the products that I am actually interested in buying. Is the new Sigma eyeshadow palette. It is the Corday Rosa collection. The packaging is very pretty. It has all roses in it and it looks actually pretty good, and it has a bunch of beautiful shimmers, metallic shades, and in total the eyeshadows, how it is placed, it looks actually very pretty. So I am interested to buy that palette, and I think it will be Sigma is usually available on Beauty Bay, but it takes a couple of days and weeks for the products to release there. So I'm not sure whether this eyeshadow palette is already up on Beauty Bay. I'm not sure, but I am very interested in that palette. I don't have any Sigma products. I think I have two products, and I don't have any eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks, anything as such from Sigma. So I'm very interested in buying that palette. It is seriously very pretty. If you love rosy tones, if you love good everyday matte shimmer shades, they are seriously pretty. And they have I think 4 lip glosses as well. You have 3 lip glosses and 1 lipstick. I love the lip gloss shades, and I love lip glosses, so I might not buy the lip glosses, but I am interested in buying the eyeshadow palette. But when I'll buy, I'm honestly not sure. Going on to there is very few products that I'm actually interested in buying. Then going on to Melt Cosmetics, they have their new eyeshadow palette which is 420. The eyeshadow palette name is 420, and it has a bunch of greens, yellow, mustard yellow, green tones, shimmer shades, and it is very pretty palette. The Melt Cosmetic palettes is seriously very pretty, but they are very expensive. It is for $58, very expensive. So I want to buy, but it is very expensive, so I'm not sure whether it is going to be in my buying or not buying, or maybe pile. I'm seriously not sure, but it is a very pretty palette. And Melt Cosmetics has amazing eyeshadow palettes, and Beauty Bay sometimes they have offers on the eyeshadow palette, so if they might have the eyeshadow palette on sale, I might purchase it, but $58 is very expensive. Then going on to the new Anastasia Norvina 4 palette, the big palettes that she had created. So I think this is the final palette that she's going to come out in 2020, and it has a bunch of wearable pinks, purple shades, and it has a bunch of shimmers, metallics, and even glitters in it. And I think it is only available on Anastasia and Sephora, and it will be available on May 11th. Today is already 12th. I am not sure whether on Middle East Sephora whether it will release price or not, but on the Anastasia website and on Sephora US website it is already available, and I'm not sure even on Beauty Bay whether this will be available or not, so or it is only exclusive to Anastasia or Sephora, I'm not sure. But it is a very pretty palette, and all the 3 palettes that I have, they are very pretty, really good. I mean, they are good for the price, so I mean, I'm interested to buy the palette, and it's pretty basic pink color packaging, so I'm interested in buying that palette. Going on to the new Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. It is their Valhalla palette, and it's for $36, and they have 20 pan eyeshadows with intense colors, and it has a bunch of shimmers, metallics, glitters in it. I mean, I think this is the first palette in which they have glitters in it, and it looks pretty good. I will place all the pictures on the screen so you will have an idea of what I'm talking about, but it actually looks very pretty. And I seriously don't know why on Beauty Bay the mini palettes from Juvia's Place is still not available. I'm not sure whether it was exclusive to only Juvia's Place website or not, but that was pretty good mini palettes. But if this palette is gonna be available on Beauty Bay, I'm gonna purchase this, because as I've said before, Juvia's Place eyeshadows are really great. This doesn't have the big eyeshadow pans, but the pan size is pretty good, and you have 20 eyeshadows and you have so many shades. I mean, it has all purple, green, yellows, pinks, reds, black, glitters. It is one palette and it has everything in one palette, so it is seriously really good, and I'm interested to buy this palette. So let's see, I'm not sure when it will be released, but it's pretty good actually, and I think it is already available on Juvia's Place website. Then going on to L'Oreal Skin Tinted Water Cream. They're going to come out with their new Skin Paradise Tinted Water Cream. I think it is like a BBCC cream, and it is water infused, so I mean, it would be very good for summer season. No doubt nobody's gonna go out, but still I'm saying just for summer season, if you are a person who is interested in BBCC cream, I think this would be great. And I think they are going to be, I don't know when they are going to be released, but it's actually pretty good. So I hope they have different shades according to different skin tones, because not just one shade is going to actually be good for all the skin types. So I mean, I'm interested in that. So it says it has a nourishing water based formula that boosts skin, adds moisture, refreshes the skin tone. I mean, all this is pretty good for your skin. 24 hours moisture, SPF 20, and it has extracts from aloe vera and ginger. I mean, it sounds pretty good and I'm interested. So let's see when it comes out. We'll surely try out that. I mean, all the luxury brands, Gucci, all those brands are coming out with new products, but I am not gonna buy those luxury brands. I mean, if it's a fail, I mean, it would be really bad for my pocket. So luxury items are a total pass for me. I'm not even going to say what all products that are releasing. One more thing, I'm interested in the Dominique Cosmetics skin gloss. She's an influencer and she has her own makeup brand. I have never tried her makeup brand eyeshadow palettes, but I have heard really good things and I want to try out her palettes. Her lip glosses, they are available on Beauty Bay, and now she has come out with the skin glosses, which is available in 4 shades. So it is glossy shades, all over skin enhancer, provides hydration, glass skin look, long lasting and natural glow with hyaluronic acid, and it is cream to powder finish. So it is available in 4 shades, and the packaging is also pretty good actually. Who doesn't love a good skin, you know, glossy skin? So I'm very interested in buying that, and it is for $25 each, and if you buy it in a bundle, all 4 shades you will get for $80, but I mean, I'll buy only 1 shade. So I mean, whenever it is available on Beauty Bay, I might purchase. I mean, only these are the products which I'm actually interested, and I'm not even when I'm gonna buy those. Anyways, so these were all the products which I'm actually interested in buying, and I will buy when I'm able to. Then going on to the products which I am not interested, which I will not buy, which is a pass for me. There is a lot, but I'm not gonna say all because my video will be like 1.5 hours or 2 hours long. Going on to MAC comes out with so many collections, and I seriously don't know why I don't feel like buying anything from MAC except for just few things. I don't know, their highlighters are pretty good, but I don't know, the eyeshadow palettes, I mean, they don't speak anything to me. I don't know why, but this collection doesn't have any eyeshadow palette. So this is the bronzer collection. It has foiled eyeshadows, face glaze, then they have the brush, bronzing powders, prep plus, prime fix plus, lip gloss, strobe body lotion. So it has a bunch of things, and the packaging is pretty all bronzy collection, so it has a pretty packaging, but I don't know, I'm not interested. They look very pretty actually. Honestly, I don't have a lot of things from MAC. I just have, I think, two things: strobe cream and MAC Fix Plus. That is the only two things that I have from MAC that I seriously love. I mean, I have highlighters, they are pretty good, but I don't know, I mean, it's a pass for me. Then going on to NARS has again come out with their orgasm collection, and they have, I think, extended their orgasm collection. Now they have orgasm quad eyeshadow palette, which has 4 eyeshadows. Then they have, I think, a couple of more things. So they have 2 eyeshadow palettes. One is the mini one, which has only 4 eyeshadows. Then they have another one which has 6 eyeshadows. Then they have lip gloss, lip tint, and they have orgasm highlighting powder, and they have a highlighter palette which has orgasm highlighting powder, orgasm blush, orgasm into blush. So I mean they have extended the orgasm collection again. Even I think few months back or last year, if they had an orgasm collection, highlighter, lip tint, and I think they had 2 or 3 things. And I mean, that released in Sephora Middle East so late, and when it released, it was out of stock. It never came back in stock. So the NARS collection, usually, I mean, they release here so late that it's already too late to do reviews on that. But anyway, it's gonna be a pass for me. And NARS is very, very expensive, and these are usually limited edition ones, so I just don't want to waste my money in limited edition ones. If people are not able to buy it, it's gonna be a waste for me if I can't show you that on my channel. So that is going to be a pass for me. Then Maybelline has come out with their matte plus poreless Fit Me foundation in a pouch. I mean, everybody's at home, so now they have, I mean, the idea is pretty good behind that, but still I won't buy such a big pouch of foundation because I have so many foundations. But who really loves this foundation? I mean, this is a great deal because it is only for $7.99 and it has 1.3. So I'm not sure whether the size of the pouch and the bottle size is the same. I think the pouch might have a little bit more. So I think who is very interested in foundation, who loves actually this foundation, I mean, it's great for those people. But I don't know, Maybelline foundations is also a bit dry for me, so I really don't like the Maybelline foundations a lot. The concealer, the powders, all that is great, but the foundation is a bit dry for me, so that is going to be a pass for me. But the idea is pretty good actually. And again, going to Anastasia Norvina, I think they are already released. It was going to be released on May 11, so it will already be available on Anastasia and Sephora website. So these are the Norvina electric cake liners, a trio of water activated cake liner shades with vivid opaque color and versatile application. So they are a trio. One is more of a neon, in which you get neon green, yellow and neon pink, and the other one is purple, white and orange. I mean this would be really good for colorful looks, and if it's gonna be available on Beauty May, I might buy it, but I don't know, I have to see reviews on that because I just don't want to waste my money because it is for $30 each. No doubt you're getting 3 eyeliners in one pack, and it is water based, so even I think you can even use it on your face to do your makeup, face makeup, but I'm not sure. I have to see because it shouldn't be very, very dry and cakey on your eyelids. So I think I'm interested, but I'm not sure whether I will buy it or not. So it is in a maybe pile, but I mean, it's pretty good actually. And some things from Anastasia Norvina, they are only available on Anastasia website or just US Sephora, so I'm not sure whether it would be available everywhere or just on Anastasia website. A lot of skincare brands is also coming out with new products, but I honestly haven't done my skincare since the start of Ramadan. Very bad for my skin, but I honestly haven't done. I haven't even used any face mask even once, and I don't want to buy a lot of skincare because I need to finish what I've already opened up. So I'm not buying any skincare products until I finish those. So makeup, skincare is gonna be a pass for me. Sheet mask I will buy, but the moisturizers, I already have 2 or 3 moisturizers which is open. Serum, all that is still open, so first I will finish that off, because the shelf life is usually, after you open a skincare product, it is usually 12 months or 6 months, depending on, it's written on the back of the bottle how much time it should be used. So I still have those products. I'll finish that off and then I'll buy the skincare products. Then going on to Charlotte Tilbury, so she is coming out with a new line, which is the Crystal Elixir collection, which has a magic serum, magic lip oil and magic cream light. I love Charlotte Tilbury makeup skincare, but they are so expensive. Seriously, very very expensive, and the Middle East website never has any offer. Even if Charlotte Tilbury US website has offers, but the Middle East website doesn't have offer. That's really bad, because it is so expensive, and it is a great brand actually if you want natural looks, but it's a really great brand, but it is very very expensive. So it is going to be a pass for me. Then going on to Huda Beauty, I think she is coming out with a new mascara, because I think I had seen on her Instagram story that has taken around 5 years in making of that mascara. So she's going to come out with a mascara, so I'm not sure, but usually I don't buy the high-end mascara, so I will not buy the high-end mascaras. I already have a lot of drugstore mascaras which I actually love, and this is one of my favorite mascaras. That is on my eyelids. It's been around a week since I've started using it, and it's pretty good. So that is my favorite for now, and I'm using it. So, and I have a bunch of other drugstore mascaras as well, so it is gonna be a pass for me. There are so many makeup releases, but none of them is exciting me. I'm not sure why. None of the products are like I need that in my collection. I don't feel like that looking at any of the makeup products this time. I don't know. Yes, I just want to buy the Anastasia big palette, because I have the other 3 palettes as well. So if I buy the 4th palette, I think I will complete my collection. So I thought the 3rd one was the last collection, but now she is coming out with a new one, and it's actually pretty good. The formula, the consistency, all that was pretty good. I had done reviews on all 3 palettes, so it was pretty good. So I'm interested in the new palette as well, but other than that, I don't know, I'm not that interested. Yeah guys, these were actually all the things that I was eyeing and not buying. Even last time I think I had done the video, there was not a lot of products which I was interested in buying. So anyways guys, these videos are actually fun. I usually watch these type of videos because it's actually fun, and you get to know opinions about the other people as well and what they are interested to buy. So I just wanted to put out this video, but there are so many makeup releases, and I'm not interested in these products doesn't mean that even you won't be interested in these products. All the people have different opinions about different products, different makeups, so it's totally up to you. These were my opinion. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments below. Whenever I'll buy the new products, I will obviously do reviews and tutorials on that, but I'm not sure when I'll purchase the eyeshadow palette and when the Anastasia palette or the Juvia's Place palette will be available. I'm honestly not sure. I do keep checking every day on Beauty Bay, on Sephora, what all things are releasing, and usually what all things speak to me, I usually start putting that in my cart, and my cart is like $5,000, and on Sephora Middle East website it will be like around 7,000-8,000 dirhams. My cart gets so big, then while ordering it gets to like. So anyways guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what all makeup products you are interested, and about the new makeup releases. Let me know in the comments below, and please guys, do let me know about some makeup series So I want some ideas, so I need to start after Ramzan, so I need to prepare about on that also. Anyways guys, if you really loved watching this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I'm uploading a video. I mean, you should see all my videos because I'm posting like around 3 or 4 times a week, and maybe after Ramzan it will be like 5 times a week. I'm not sure, but let's see, hope for the best. If I'm able to, there will be I think 5 videos a week. Anyways guys, I'll see you in my next video.